Hello, friends. If you're wondering why I'm dressed like this, it's because today I want to be an icy snow queen. So I have on my head my snow queen tiara and matching accoutrement, and we are going to build a face fit for a queen, a snow queen. I'm first going to start by priming my face. Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer for our sensitive queen skin. Next, we're going to go in with the CoverGirl True Match Foundation. Next, we are going to use Tarte Shape Tape to hide all of our imperfections. To fill in my brows, I'm going to use a light dusting of auburn powder so that we can match the rest of my hair. A good queen is never seen without proper brows. We're going to skip bronzer on the face today because in the wintertime, UV isn't a thing. So instead we're going to skip right to blush, and I will be using the Revlon Tickled Pink because sometimes you just need some dramatically rosy cheeks. Give that little bit of frostbitten effect. Next, I'm going to go into the e.l.f. Baked Highlighter and get a nice base down for our highlight. That's right, I said base. And now for the real highlighter, Stila Heaven's Dew Glittery Putty Highlighter. I'm going to start by going in with my finger and dusting that all over the cheeks. Ever so gently, we tap the sparkle on our faces. And I'm going to take this up onto the temples. As the queen, I must glitter far more than the peasants beneath me. I'm going to take a very light bronzer. This is the Bronze Booster in light to medium by Physicians Formula. I'm going to put this on a crease brush and ever so slightly put that in my crease and not take it past the outer edge. We wouldn't want to warm anything up now, would we? Goodness gracious, I might melt. So now I'm going to spritz away a little shadow brush, and also my face. And then I'm going to go into this Hard Candy Duo, and only on the shimmery white side, because we want to be frosted little pancakes now, don't we? And I'm going to put that all over my lid. And this is why the bronzer doesn't really matter. It's only to go underneath to create a little bit of dimension. Now I will proceed to go in with my finger and make that very, very white. Frosty the Snow Queen. Perfect. Next I'm going to go into the Stila Liquid Eyeshadow in Diamond Dust. I'm going to just pat this all over the eye. And now that our lids are as glittery as they're ever going to be, I'm going to use the Stila Huge Ass Mascara, and we are going to have huge ass lashes. And lastly, our lips. This is going to tie everything together. And by that, I mean it could potentially wash us all out, but you know what? It will be sparkly, and that's all that matters. So I'm going to start by putting on a layer of the Hard Candy Glitter Rotc Lip Topcoat. And we are going to be using this as a base, believe it or not. This sounds a little contradicting, but fear not, I have plans. Once that has dried down, we're going to add a layer of Essence Hollow Wow Lip Gloss. And if that wasn't sparkly enough, we're going to finish it all off with some NYX Face and Body Glitter in the shade Ice. How fitting. Get some of that on my little finger and tap it. Tappa, if you will. And there you have it, my snow babies. The ultimate winter queen face. It's frosty. Enjoy the rest of Vlogmas. I will be sure to see you in the next one.